In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Trello board. This is a quick and effective way to duplicate an existing board, enabling you to maintain a template while making modifications in the copied version. It only takes a few minutes and can be incredibly helpful for managing recurring projects or tasks. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the Trello website, which you can effortlessly find by opening your preferred web browser and typing in trello.com. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right corner where you'll see the login button. Clicking this will prompt you to sign in to your Trello account. Here, we'll opt for the Google sign-in option for convenience. Simply click Google and then select the Google account associated with your Trello board. After logging in, you'll want to open the board you wish to copy. This is your starting point, so be sure you've selected the right one, as this board will serve as your template. Once inside the board, direct your attention to the upper right corner. You'll notice 3 dots. This menu is your gateway to various board settings and functions. Click on these dots to expand the menu. In this expanded menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Copy Board. This action is crucial because selecting it will begin the duplication process. So go ahead and click on Copy Board. A window will then pop up asking you to provide a title for your new board. Think of a clear and relevant name that helps you easily identify the board's purpose. Additionally, you'll need to choose a workspace where this new board will reside. This choice is vital if you manage multiple projects or teams, as it keeps everything organized. Once you've filled in the necessary information, the final step awaits. You'll need to press the Create button situated at the bottom of the pop-up window. When you click Create, Trello will generate a duplicate of your original board, complete with all its cards, lists, and content. It's as simple as that. Now you have a board ready to be customized and adapted to fit your new project's needs. Remember, this process doesn't affect the original board, so you can copy it as many times as you need. It's a useful tool for maintaining consistency across projects while giving you the flexibility to make changes as required. And there you have it, a straightforward method to duplicate any Trello board effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on productivity and project management.